Very good morning children. I hope you are doing good. Today I am here with very interesting topic, bar graphs. We know that bar graph will comes under data handling. First let us know what is data. Data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. To get particular information from the given data quickly, the data has to be arranged or organized first. The organization of data can be done in various ways. One way to organize the data by bar graph. First let us know what is bar graph. Bar graph is another method of representing data visually. In case of bar graph or bar diagram, the bars of uniform width are drawn horizontally or vertically with equal space, and the length of each bar represents the given number. The above problem will explain how a bar graph is interpreted. Let us take an example. Observe this bar graph which is showing the sale of shirts in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. Here in x-axis it's showing number of shirts sold, and in the y-axis it's showing the number of days. By looking at the diagram we can easily identify what exactly the number of shirts sold in a particular day. Let us know how to draw a bar graph. To draw a bar graph, first of all, draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. On the horizontal line, we will draw bars representing the data, and on the vertical line, we will write numerals, which shows what data is being represented. Same data can be represented by interchanging the items on horizontal line and vertical line. It is important to take bars of same width, keeping uniform gaps between them. Next, a scale is chosen if needed. The scale varies according to the given data. Following problem explain how a bar graph is drawn. The number of mathematics books sold by a shopkeeper on 6 consecutive days is shown here. The table shows the days and the number of books sold. Let us draw a bar graph to represent the above information, choosing the scale of our choice. To draw a bar graph, days are taken horizontally and the number of books sold is taken on the vertical axis. We know the scale taken for representing this data is 1 unit length equals 5 books. This scale is taken along the vertical line since the number of books is marked on the y-axis. The heights of the bars of various days is as follows. So we can observe the table here and go through the bar graph which is represented here. I hope you all have understood children. Thank you. We shall see in the next class.